I'm going to talk to you today about a website called XtraMath.com. Before I go too far into it, I'm going to go ahead and give you my standards for it. Students use technology to design and implement a variety of formative and summative assessments that accommodate learner needs, provide timely feedback to students, and inform instruction. And then the other one, they use assessment data to guide progress and communicate with students, parents, and education stakeholders to build self-direction. So what XtraMath is, it is basically a website designed for students to be working on their math minutes, quick math facts. Any of the operations, you can have them do any variety of them. You can do only addition, only subtraction, etc. Or you can mix up the operations so they're always doing something a little bit different. So basically how it works is once you enter your class, it gives them, you just have to enter their first name. So there's no big, huge online identity issue. So basically what you're going to do is Faker is that's me, I guess. They give them a PIN number to put in, so there's no password. You just type in, the PIN number that was given to them. Okay, and there's a little tutorial right here that tells them, what they're going to be doing. Shows them the progress from the last time they did it. And yes, I tried to rush through it and I accidentally missed 3 of them. But as they continue, they open it and it's just very quick, very fast math facts. Okay? And at the end of every week, parents, you can set it up for parents too, but educators are sending an email showing their students' progress with the quick math facts. And if parents are okay with it, you can set them up too. They get emails as well to monitor their students' progress. Over here for parents, there's plenty of tutorials about what this is, what the goals behind it are. There's also a math mobile app, so they can do this really at any time. It's just a great way for students to continually be working on their math skills in kind of a fun way rather than just writing them down on paper, which I know to them gets old after a while. I think this is an absolutely great website for quick math facts, mainly because I love the communication aspect of it, how it's always keeping people up to date about what their progress is, how they're doing, and what they need to focus on a little bit more.